Hello everyone, my name is Theresa, and on this channel I do unboxing of subscription boxes, which can consist of makeup, skincare. Every now and again I'll do a lifestyle box, fragrances, candles, body care, snack boxes. So today's video is snack crate. Now, this here is a $24.99 a month subscription. Ever since COVID happened, you know, this box has been behind a month. But it is what it is. You know, I just can't take myself through no changes. But in here you get anywhere from 10 to 12 different snacks. And this box, the snacks in this box are from around the world, different countries. So I'm excited to see what country we have this month. And oh, you got UK. All right now. I'm always excited to see what different snacks that we get from around the world. It is just amazes me. Well, not really amaze me, but it piques my interest. So Ukraine, yeah, but like I said, it piques my curiosity on what everybody else eats, and they always give you a recipe. This thing right here, so this is chicken cayenne. That's it right there. But it just I just get excited when I see, you know, what everybody else is crunching on around the world. Let me say it like that. So that's 6. So we have 12 different snacks. So let's get started. Now these here are corn snacks. They feel like cheese doodles. And that's what it looks like. This here says salute corn sticks is what it says. This all-natural puff corn snack is loaded with savory, sour cream, and dill flavoring. Pair a frosty cold beverage to complete this tasty treat. Okay. And then we have, this just says, I think this is saying Flint. And it says Flint Croutons. So these are croutons. It says the baked wheat rye croutons are kneaded according to a secret recipe and are combined with a special crab flavoring. Try them with your favorite salad or eat them as a snack. Okay. And then we have potato boom. It says these crispy potato sticks are baked to perfection, coated with a generous amount of salt and vinegar. Oh, my daughter's gonna love these. To make that tangy flavor that keeps you coming back for more. And then we got Big Bob. This is Big Bob. Okay. It says Big Bob nuts. Bite into a perfect adventurous snack and experience the sharp explosion. Sharp explosion flavors of these crispy coated wasabi flavored peanuts. Now, I would like these. Okay. This is Creech Cacao. So it says these loaded with essential vitamins and minerals to get your day started right with this crispy cereal tube loaded with sweet milk cream. Okay. Next one is AMAC. So this here looks like a wafer. Yeah, see, I don't speak Ukraine. Alright, so, yep, this is Arctic waffles. So it says the perfect with a cup of tea or coffee. These waffle styled wafers are baked to perfection, layered with a decadent chocolate cream. And this looks like Contic. Super Contic cookies, remnants of the popular American treat, but with a unique twist. These black sugar cookies are held together by a soft lemon flavored filling. Okay. Bonjour. Guess this is a classic candy here. It says Conti Bonjour. The dome-shaped dessert consists of 3 delicious parts of a sugar biscuit layered with cappuccino jelly topped with whipped cream, all coated with a chocolate glaze. That looks almost like coffee or a cappuccino. You know how you get the cappuccinos. And here's another chocolate looking wafer. This here is Roshan Lazy Cow. A delightful crispy vanilla wafer sandwich with sweetened condensed milk cream and coated with rich chocolate, milk chocolate. Okay. I was like, wait a minute, now we're missing something, but no, we are not. And this here says Roshan dark chocolate. It says named after the owner and former president of Ukraine. This elegant dark chocolate bar filled with rich and creamy fondant. Okay. And then this one here is Timmy. I don't even see this one here on here. Nope, this was not even on here. So I guess they threw an extra one in here. Maybe we were missing something last month. Nope. But we got a bunch of the Fizzy Booms. I don't know if y'all remember these. I remember these when I was a kid. These little candies right here. And you just let them sit in your mouth and they fizz. And then they have I don't know what kind of candy this here is, but they threw this one here in there as well. Okay, so these are called Crazy Bees. It says the buzz around this treat is true. It's this soft, chewy, gummy candy are filled with just the right amount of sweet fruit jelly. And then the fizzy ones, these are the Fizzy Booms. It says this sweet hard candy comes with a fizz center that is sure to tingle your taste buds. Enjoy the cola, fresh lime, orange flavored varieties. Okay, well, let's do a quick recap. Of course, we have the fizzy, you know, these candies. We have this one here. We have this one. The lemon flavored cookies. The Bonjour candy. These are the corn sticks. These are the breakfast treats. These here are potato boom. These are ketchup flavored ones. And we have another wafer bar. Another wafer. We have these baked bread snacks with cheese. And the wasabi peanuts. Overall, I must say that this is not bad. I think that I think out of all the countries that we have received, there was only one, and I can't remember which one it was. I want to say it was Hawaii, but you know, don't get me lying. But Ukraine, they be eating lovely. So there's the snack box from Ukraine. And I'll see if I can leave a link down there in the description box to see if maybe you guys want to get this and you and your family can sit there and crunch on this, because that's basically what happens when I'm done filming this. Of course, my daughter's not home right now, but and I won't be eating this stuff at this hour at night. But tomorrow, you know, we'll crunch on a couple of them. It takes us probably about a week to get through it. And we'll see, you know, whether we like them or not. Because some of these snacks you can actually get on Amazon. I didn't know that. But yeah, some of these snacks you can get on Amazon. Well, alright, I've talked enough. My name is Theresa. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I will see each and every one of you in my next upload. Deuces.